Hey foodies, how are you? What did you guys cook for Sunday dinner yesterday? I made some brown stew fish. So I put some pepper and some garlic in the oil just to give it some flavor. And then I fried up my seasoned snappers. Okay, so I didn't bother to put any flour on it. I don't usually do when I'm doing brown stew. So I just fry it up until it's firm and crispy. And now for the gravy, I take a little of that same oil and then I am going to be sauteing peppers and onions. Along with that, I do love to add some minced or grated ginger and garlic, which I just added here. And then I go in with some tomatoes. Now I'm going to be adding some Grace Fish and Meat sauce. Also, I'm going to be adding a little browning. If I feel like it, sometimes I add pico pepper sauce. So ketchup goes in and then I add the browning and the fish and meat sauce. Sometimes I add a little soy sauce too and then water. Just give this a stir and then you can add carrot, you can add some allspice berries crushed or whole. Of course you need fresh thyme and scallion. The scotch bonnet can be diced if you want it super spicy or you can add it whole like I did here. Now it's time to add some more flavor, so add some pepper. You can add all-purpose seasoning or fish seasoning to taste. Sometimes I'll add just a little brown sugar too, and then just give that a stir. If you want to, you can add some okra. You don't have to. Sometimes I even add pumpkin, sometimes I don't. And then just lay the fish right in there. Add more water if you feel like you need to. And then just baste the fish with that liquid. Allow the fish to just simmer down just a little bit in the gravy. Because remember, the fish is cooked already, so you don't need to cook it for long. Once the fish soaks up all of that delicious gravy, you are good to go. You can serve this with some festival, rice and peas, bami, roast yam, mashed potatoes, whatever you love. But this is scrumptious.